Thought I'd show you how we did the shift cover. We've got a piece of pool carpet, that black stuff, put some vinyl around the bottom, and then got the original Land Rover gaiters, cut them and set them inside with a glue gun. And then these bits here are allowed to fold, and then we can either velcro them, stick them down, or the rubber mat will hold them down. So let's see what it looks like. I thought I'd give you guys a heads up on this Bearmac transmission tunnel for an R380 or a TD5. My advice is no, it's not very good. I should have known, but I already ordered it, because in the comments it was said that they don't fit very well, and indeed they don't. But the problem is, they're not made out of rubber, it's plastic, and it's hard, and the insulation's sort of just glued on, and they're made in Turkey, made by Turkeys. Now, they don't fit very well on my job, which I'll show you shortly, is because this lip here is holding off, it's making it stand up too tall. So what I'm doing is I'm trimming it off using a die grinder, running around it, taking that off so it'll drop a bit further down, and you'll see the results when I get onto the job. It's alright, it's decorative, but it ain't right. So save your money, get a used one, or but genuine ones are really expensive, but they have a lot better soundproofing. I don't think this is going to do much at all, to be honest. It's too solid. Well, not too solid, it just doesn't do anything. Right, that's it. Let's see what it's like when it's fitted. So there's the end result. Yeah, it sort of fits where it touches. It's not the best. This boss here is too low. It holds it off a little bit. Not too happy. The knob is that's a Bearmac knob. Forget it. Save your money. Get a different one. You can see the difference. It's grey instead of black, and the rubber insert, well, it isn't rubber, it's plastic, and I had to drill it out because there was no way I could thread that onto there. It's a 1/2 inch UNF thread. Oh man, was that tight. The reason why I put that on because I didn't have one, but I think with the rubber mats in it should look alright. I haven't got a bit for back there. I don't know where that bit is. Anyway, it doesn't really matter, but yeah, so there we go. So that's my cover. I think it looks quite nice. I mean, this shift mechanism looks pretty good. Like I said, next time I'll move that lever forward a bit, but that's no big deal. At least it's on and it works. Right, probably like that. It was just a bit of bodgery, but it seems to work. But stay away from these covers.